This is a Cleveland manufacturing company Teenytoy from the late 40s, possibly 1950, so it's 70 years old at least, and it's in need of proper renovation, as you can see. Okay, there's the motor for it. It sort of works. Maybe not. But it's fairly intermittent, so I think it hopefully just needs a clean. I'm not going to take it all apart. We'll do a de-rust and a clean, and hopefully that will work. And then the body of it, we're going to take the paint off, get it back to metal. Not too bad a job this really. And then also we've got the little bits, little tiny bits here, which hopefully are going to all slot together beautifully. Where is it? Oh god! Even tiny little bits like that. It's all going to be great. Okay, let's get it in the paint stripper. Well, that's easy because I can just do that. It's dropped. It's in. Okay, well, that's worked well. Shows some of the imperfections in these. Look, they is it flashing they call that? Anyway, bits of metal there. We can. That's the from the original manufacture. So we can tidy that up a bit and get the Dremel on it. And amazingly, I haven't yet lost the tiny bits which are going to be glued on in a minute. And that's it. Let's give it a go. Much better. You can see the casting is not great on these. Matchbox, they are not. Okay, I think we can agree I didn't do as good a job as I could have on that, but it's very hard with 3 pieces. I should have clamped it in some way. Anyway, I'm new at this. I think it'll be alright. Okay, let's do the really tricky bit now. Okay, so I got there in the end, just as the batteries ran out on the camera, of course. Not sure how good a job that is, or whether it could have been done a lot better, but anyway, I did what I could. And now I've been filing off some of the rough edges as best I can, and little bits like that there we can file off a little bit better. And then it's time for the milliput. Right. I've never done this before. In fact, I've never used milliput before, but let's give it a go. Right, that's slapped a load on, and then I read online, or I see online, that isopropyl alcohol can be very good to smooth it all out. So let's give that a go. I can file that down later. Okay, so I've flattened out some milliput there. Let's try this simple way of doing it, see if it works. Well, wasn't expecting that. Right, okay. It's turning out to be a lot harder than I thought. Very hard to manipulate this, so I'm just going to keep it nice and simple and cut around the van like this. That's better. Well, it's easier anyway. We'll see if it's better in a minute. Let's manipulate this. I'm already regretting this. I should have just left it blank. Ooh, what a mess. Because it can be manipulated, I think it's going to be alright. After a lot of messing, I think that is not bad, and I can tidy it up later with the files. It's the evening now. It's come out quite well after quite a lot of work, but now I've decided I'm not happy with those windows. They are much lower than the others, so I think I'm going to have to build up some height on the windows there. Yep, I think that's better. Oh gosh, looks a bit rough close up. Yeah, work on that tomorrow. But I'm not happy with the surface here. Even after sanding, it looks like what it is, which is putty, not something smooth. So we're going to add some more. Waiting for that to cure, we can have a look at the mechanism, which seems to be in reasonable order. I'm hoping, it's sticky at the minute, it doesn't quite run, or not predictably, but I'm hoping with just a clean up with good old lighter fluid that will be okay. And that seems to have done the job, just cleaning it up with lighter fluid, running it through a few times, lots of gunk comes out, lots of dirt on the cogs, and it seems to run fine. So hopefully, here we are, I'll put it out the way of the camera so it doesn't splash on the camera, and it's working. Fantastic. Prepared and sprayed the wheels silver and the body as well, and did undercoat and red gloss on the body, which I forgot to film. But you can see how it was and how it is now. Even the rebuilt side is looking pretty good, really. And underneath looks super. The clean and a bit of a light silver spray, which doesn't seem to have affected the mechanism. So there's the official before. And the after. Really pleased with that. And what we really want to know is, does it actually work? And the answer is yes. 70 years old, and hopefully now it should last another 70 years. That was great fun. Hope you enjoyed it too, and thanks as always for watching.